We are back at the golf green project. It's the last visit of 2025. It's the 12th of December. It's been a hit and miss year this year for this lawn. In parts it's looking really nice, but in others around the perimeter it's not. So we'll just ignore those today. So what we're going to be doing is giving it its last cut and its last liquid feed of 2025. But in between that, we're going to be trying to sink a putt from quite a distance away into the hole behind. So we'll get the flag out and get all that set up, and we'll try and sink a putt. We'll see how we get on and see how good I am not at golf. But before we can do anything, we need to blow all this dew off and get rid of all these leaves, because the mower ain't going to pick those up. So let's go. So we'll just have a walk over as normal. So it's not been cut for 2 weeks and it's still very short, so it doesn't grow much. So you can see it is lovely. It is very nice, and the colour is absolutely stunning. I mean, look at that. I mean, I can't argue with that. And when you buy turf, this is kind of the quality it looks like. It's just a little bit tighter, but if we could get it like looking like this all over, I'd be very, very happy, considering I'm not really a fan of this type of grass. But must admit, when I see it like this, it is growing on me. So let's go over to these areas. I've seeded them, but still nothing's come through, so they'll get addressed next year. The holes there, I did dig a little bit out last time, so we can go over the top without hitting it and having to take it off. Got a bit of annual meadow grass there. Maybe a little bit there, we'll take that out anyway. Get all these leaves out while we're here. We don't want anything interrupting our pot. We've got to blow these needles off the pine, which is a bit of a pain. A lot of variables here. All this Lanicera foliage that's fallen off. Oh, it's been pruned and it's just not been picked up. But generally, say if we can get it looking like this all over, it'll be absolutely fine. But it's not, so we must crack on with what we've got. We can't neglect the rest of the lawn just to, you know, look after these bits. Okay, so that's the blowing done. What we'll do is we'll just change angle ever so slightly, just so we're not getting the grass used to going in the same direction. We'll mix it up a little bit and get a new strike going, but double, so we've got spraying guidelines. So even though it's December, still taking off lots of cuttings. Can't believe how many's come off, to be honest. It just shows you how mild it's been more than anything. Because I stepped out of my van the other day and I was like stepping out into a very warm oven. I couldn't believe it. So there you go, that's 100 square metres. Imagine if you had like a full golf course to do. You'd just be inundated with grass clippings. Okay, so that's the cut done. So firm underneath the foot. Very tight. So yeah, looking very nice over here. Lovely colour, just can't believe the colour. Let's get that putting done. So here goes. So here goes. So the professional golfer of us is going to show us how it's done. Not quite. Men and the toys, eh? How long have you been playing?
Not long enough, obviously. It's on the...
Excuses. Oh, there you go. Well done. So we're just spraying our winter regime on, but also so we've got Winter Magic in there with the 5 ALA. We've got Refine, Winter Shield. I've also put some Stella in, and some grace. Put the Stella in just for some root development over the winter months. And the iron just for some colour, and there's like the nitrogen in there as well, which is just going to keep things ticking over. Because it's cut short, you have got a risk of moss coming in. So if we can just keep the plant active a little bit, it just keeps things like that at bay, especially on these burr areas. So we'll see how they look next year. But I think Martin was just saying then, obviously he plays at Bolton Golf Club, which is like the most prestigious one in Bolton. And he said this one's running really nice. It's so firm underfoot. He says it's pretty much as firm as it is on a proper golf course. So he says, well done, even though obviously it's not 100%. He's happy. And then next year, and we always knew it was going to be a unknown. We were going into the unknown with this. So where we are now, it's not ideal. And I have this big piece of annual meadowgrass that I've just seen. I don't know why I didn't see that before. Just trying to find my key. Let's get this out now while we can. I'll save that and I'll show you the size of it in a sec. Put it in my pocket. There we go. Nice. So yeah, all good. It's just a shame we couldn't get these areas growing despite reseeding, overseeding, whatever you want to call it. Just would not grow. But it's still there, so we might get some growth next year from it. Who knows? It's all new to me, this. It's like even though it's not my specialist subject, I'm still like, able to try and do it. It's like having a heart surgeon who has to perform brain surgery. Doesn't make him any less of a doctor. Just means it's not his specialist subject, and if he used to have a go, he'd probably make a go of it better than somebody who was not medically trained, because body parts are body parts, veins are veins, etc. But grass is grass, no matter what type it is. So it's just learning as we go on this one. So yeah, there we go, all done. So what I'm going to do is just going to get the hose pipe out and just give it a little water just to wash that through, because there's no rain due now till next week. So it's just going to sit there, so we want to get it washed through as well. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and it closes this year off here, but we've still got another couple to do hopefully this year. Maybe not lawn related, but nevertheless still videos, and it just keeps me going, because what I find is that if I just stop, I find it very difficult to get back into the filming, and I lose my kind of confidence in front of the camera, and you have to start again and build up. So when we get to March, hopefully I won't be at the game too long, and you'll be like I've never gone. So yeah, so we'll see you next time here on Daniel Hibbert Lawn Expert. Bye for now.